subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for new notification. Hello friends, today we are going to learn the next sentence. The type of sentence is imperative sentence. What is the imperative sentence? When we use the imperative sentence, I think imperative sentence we use to give the work to next person. Sometimes we are giving the orders, sometimes we are giving the request, sometimes suggestion is there, advice is there. Actually, we give the work to someone. We give the work, actually, give me a pen, open the door, call the police, ask the questions, all ask what are these? These are the orders, these are the requests, okay? And that is why imperative sentence works. In the imperative sentence, I think that not a types of imperative sentence, but imperative sentence in affirmative and imperative sentence in negative, because there is some kind of difference in formula. If the imperative sentence comes in affirmative means होकारार्थी, मराठी में से होकारार्थी, affirmative. In affirmative formula, imperative verb one plus object. It is very simple. V1 plus object. The imperative sentence which is in affirmative which is in affirmative mode, it is started the V1 plus object. There is no subject in the imperative sentence. Actually, there is a subject. Most of the students ask me, sir, is there is a subject in the sentence? I say yes. In that time, they got shocked that there is no subject in formula. Sir, how can you say, sir? Actually, there is an invisible subject. And what is the invisible subject in this imperative sentence? You. Because you give the work to your next person. And which pronoun you have to use for the next person? In front of you, the person is there, you always use the pronoun you, you, okay? And that's why V1 plus object. Example, call the police. Call the police. Second example, ask the question. Ask the question. Third example, open the door. These are very simple example and very easy example. Actually, you are thinking that there is the simple method is going on, the simple grammar is going on. Actually, tense and sentence. Why I take first? Because this is the basic. If you understand the basic, you understand the next level grammar. Because after some time, we have to start the next level, and which is so difficult. Actually, grammar is not difficult part. It's very easy. If you understand very well, you can easily understand everything. Okay. The next imperative sentence in affirmative mode. Now we see imperative sentence in negative mode. We see imperative sentence in negative. Negative formula is there. Don't plus V1 plus object. Example, don't call the police. Don't ask the questions. Don't call the police, don't ask the question, don't open the door. Only one difference in a negative mode. Imperative sentence, while we are using in affirmative mode, there is a V1 plus object. But when we make the negative sense of the imperative sentence, in that time, we just start from the don't. You always remind one thing. Why we take don't? Why we actually Imperative sentence always use in a simple present tense. This is also important information. Imperative sentence always used in a simple present tense. Now you understand why we are not taking doesn't. Actually, the subject is you. That's why we use don't. Okay, this is the imperative sentence. Now we see the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is very simple. But when we use the exclamatory sentence, actually when there is extreme anger, extreme happiness, then when there is a surprise, you get the shock in some time. There is a snake in your house, and when you see the snake, in that time the expression come from you. That kind of expression is called exclamatory. Exclaim. In Marathi, udgar. There is a exclaim. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. In exclamatory sentence, actually, the basic exclamatory sentence start from the what and how. What and how. But the meaning of the what in interrogative sentence, meaning of the how in interrogative sentence is different, and in exclamatory sentence meaning of the what and how is different. Okay, you understand? Okay, because most of the students they think that what is the what comes in an interrogative sentence, the meaning of the what in Marathi kai. This is not the same meaning in exclamatory. In exclamatory the meaning of the what is very. It's very, and the meaning of the how is also very. Okay, this is the meaning of the what and how. The simple and the basic exclamatory sentence start from the what and how. The formula of the sentence which is start from the what what plus a oblique an plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb and then exclamatory sign. This is very important. Now the example, what a dangerous thing it was. This is the example of the exclamatory sentence which is start from the what. What a dangerous thing it was. This is the example. What a dangerous thing it was. The sentence start from the what and end with the exclamatory sign. This is the identification of the exclamatory sentence. Okay. Actually, the exclamatory sentence they also classify in a two types. This is the first type. The sentence start from the what and how. There are also other sentence which is also comes. There is no what and how, but they are exclamatory. We see next. Okay. Now we are looking about the only what and how. What a dangerous thing it was. Now the second sentence. This is the first sentence. The second formula start from the how. How plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb exclamatory. Exclamatory sign is necessary. From in the what, the sentence start from the what, there is an exclamatory sign at the end, and the sentence start from the how, there is an exclamatory sign at the end. Okay, the same. Okay, now we understand the sentence. How beautiful girl, how beautiful girl she is. Now you understand, there is an article when we use the what. After the word there is an article a or an. Okay, the difference of the formula. The difference of the formula what and how. What is the difference? In the sentence of what, there is a and. In sentence of how, there is no and. Okay, directly we take the adjective, then noun, then subject, then verb. How beautiful girl she is, and at the end of the sentence there is a exclamatory sign. Okay, this is the kind of time. This is the kind of sentence come in an exclamatory. Now we see the different kind of sentence which comes in a exclamatory sign. Okay. Some sentences start from the words. There are some exclamatory words. There are some exclamatory words that we call interjection. What we call them? Interjection. Look at the exclamatory word oh, hurrah, alas, oh my god. Okay, these are the kind of exclamatory words. Bravo. Okay, now when we use these words in sentence like this, we get the example. Sometimes, alas, he is dead. In this sentence, there is only a word which comes, the exclamatory words, interjection word in the sentence, but we call this sentence is exclamatory sentence because the word is there, alas. Okay, alas, when you get so much sorrow in your heart, in that time you have to use alas. Okay, and oh, it's dangerous. O use for surprise also, O use for sorrow also. Okay, both of the sense in the meaning of the O. And then we also use hurrah. We have won the match. We have won the match. These words also. Now we also take the example bravo. Bravo. You have done well. You have done well. These are the different kind of exclamatory sentences. Actually, we understand first what and how. The sentences start from the what and how, and the next different kind of sentences are there. The sentences start from the exclamatory words. Actually, these are the interjection also. We call these words are interjections. And now you also get the examples. These are the examples. I think you understand very well. Now I recap all these things which I teach you. The first, in the last period, we are discussing about the assertive sentences, interrogative sentence, assertive and interrogative. In interrogative, there are the two types, WH and verbal. And then next, today we are going to learn, we completed the topic imperative and exclamatory sentence. Okay, actually you understand the type of sentence, why the sentence are important while we are dealing with the direct indirect, because after sometimes we will learn direct to indirect, the narration. Actually there are the two words, direct to indirect or narration. In that time the sentence are important because first you identify the sentence, then you make the direct to indirect. Okay, in that time it is very useful, it is very valuable. Thank you for watching video. But I want to tell one thing, friends, you have to subscribe the video because you get the notifications for my new videos and you get everything, because every day I upload the new videos. Okay, at last I want to say one thing. For the more practice, you want some sentence. So in the description box there is a link. You have to go through the link and solve many of examples. Thank you.